CTP unit, headed by the Troop Commander Lance Honda, Friends Gomba, S1, Alexa Gabriel Dumalanta, S2, Hanalia Makilan, S3, Marian Joyce Sumpay, S4, Major Leader Fiona Lagdameo, DLC Leader Mark Steven Regalia, CTP Company Commander Arvin Vasquez, Company EXO Hero Biliver, First Platoon Leader Boys Silene Chan Masarate, Second Platoon Leader Girls Maricar Albanio, Principal Nick Asanya, CTP Facility Court Jonathan Paulin, Major Coordinator John Tres Secupito, DLC Trainer Jeffrey Eganita. Ladies and gentlemen, number 1, Frank Saragiste and the Executive School CTP unit. Entry number 2, naghahali sa Laborissima, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Laborissima National High School CTP unit, headed by the Troop Commander Jericho Balbuena, Rhea May Salipon, S1, Jamel Castelo, S2, Rachel Nagales, S3, Janelle Estadilla, S4, Rexon Calvo, S5, Major Leader HGL Santa Cruz, DLC Leader Precious Nicole Tercillo, Company Commander Jeho Sales, Company EXO Sheila Nicole Teixeira, First Platoon Leader Boys Joshua Dasilio, Second Platoon Leader Girls Jolie Valdez, Principal Elevate Gil Morales, Doctor of Philosophy, CTP Facilitator Mr. J.T. Madrigal, Assistant CTP Facilitator Mr. Ram B. Maldosa, CTP Facilitator Rafael J. Maria Hickel Roson. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2 from Laborissima National High School, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Victor Bernal High School CTP unit, headed by the Troop Commander Christian Paul Lainisa, Mark Francis Lortano, S1, Eliza Ray De La Cruz, S2, Ralph Lawrence Berbido, S3, Ria Ashley Muka, S4, Majoretta and the DLC through the courtesy of Laborissima National High School. Company Commander Kenneth Kyle Billones, Company EXO Lee Henry Flores, First Platoon Leader Boys Jun Solidanes, Second Platoon Leader Girls Lauren J. Pastoral, School Head Principal Erwin Carlos Noble, CTP Papi Facilitator Rodel Velasco, Joanna Reyes, and Keith Ryan Santos. Ladies and gentlemen, our entry number 3 from Victor Bernal High School at the Liceo School, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Fiona Violet Bermal. S2, James Niembra. S3, Harold Leria. S4. Company Commander, Sylvester Florese. Company Echo, Richard Duracilla. First Battalion Boy, Craig Minard Abonalia. Second Battalion Girls, Andrea Gargando. Principal, Abigail D. Gilioso. CTP Facilitator, Christian A. Pantor. Injury Coordinator, Sarcel Papaya. DNC, Coordinator, Romy Elino. Consultant, Video CTP Consultant, Video Sator. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 4, from Captain Video Institute, Captain Video, number 1. Unit, headed by the Troop Commander, Jan Philip Isaac, Alden Manday, S1, Philip James Richard Gonzalez, S2, Ginelin Zavalya, S3, A.J. Periol, S4, Major Leader, Pearl Andrea Blanco, DLC Leader, Earl Justin Sarmiento, CTP Company Commander, Justin Jaburi, CTP Company Actor, Yelyan Elia, First Battalion Boys, Anton Kanyaman, Second Battalion Girls, Angel Villar, Principal, Salvacion D. Velez, CTP Facilitator, Mr. Eleuterio J. Delimat Jr.,
Ay, graduate na
Injury
so
Coordinator,
dating
Robert
leader.
Villanueva,
Salit-salit lang at to. Graduate na.
Teresa May Pagsaligan, and Marieta Manao.
Makeup
Lead
nila,
Coordinator,
makeup nila.
Donna Bueno, Jubilin P. Constantio, and Bernie Ebarita. Ladies and gentlemen, our birthday reviewing time is a contingent from San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Irigan City.
Kagawad. Dayon.